What is up, BTS fans? It is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to a food review. So today we're going to get this one new Oreo BTS, the vanilla original with these 9 pieces of the pack. So this one does. I don't have any of the hot chocolate. This is called brown sugar pancake or something in the Korean street food. Whatever. This is the BTS fans today. So let's get started this one. So I'm gonna say. There's nothing out of the packaging. And this one here, on this one right here, we got a 13 unique. We gotta collect all 13 uniquely, whatever this is the name is. It's 13 unique cooking designs by BTS designs. Okay, so let's get it open it started. All right, let's get it open it. This unboxing with this on the round here, but I don't know how much this is so much anything possible. So let's try this one here. Let's try this one with the scissors and this one. Scissor, whatever. It's pretty good. I don't know how much they need so much. But just careful, guys, because it really damages plastic. It's awful. Oh my god! What the frick? Oh, there we go. There is. Hold on, let me second. This is the Oreo BTS 1 pack. So I don't know what is starting this one. So what I got, because this is a really shiny all of this one by Oreo BTS. It's the original the vanilla ice cream or whatever. It's the BTS fans on this one. I'm gonna start this opening. Alright guys, so let's get the opening for this one, the original of this one, but not a hot dog version of this, the special edition. So I get a special thing, this unique 13 design. Alright, let's get to open this one. So let's get a taste test. Also, oh, we got a BTS collection. Look at this. So this one, the BTS design, the back of the Oreo original. This one, the BTS one. Oh, look at this design. So really cool. You alright, Soundwave? Alright. My camera's just not moving around here. Okay, so let's get to eat the test one. But this is looks like the Blackpink BABYMONSTER K-pop collaboration in this BTS. This is my favorite. I don't know why the Blackpink looks better than for BTS, but there's not a BABYMONSTER for this one, the original by the K-pop fans. This is pretty good. Okay, let's go eat the test. Wow, that is so crunchy. It is so crunchy, wow. So let's get it. I don't know, it's a sweet, crunchy, tastefully like vanilla. It was one here. I don't know what this is, kind of really tasteless, like this one, vanilla. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay, it was pretty actually good, but BTS's fans, it looks amazing though. Amazing. We got this though, another design with the BTS on this one here. It said, oh look at that, this was the name of the list. We got Jungkook, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, whatever this is the name. That was pretty design, looks amazing. So this one, another design with Dear BTS Army. It looks so amazing. If you guys see this one, I'm gonna do 2 of them. Okay, we got 2 of this one here. Okay. I haven't collected this one. We got another one with the BTS Effie Twist. I don't have any of the lick dunk. And this one, this looks actually pretty insane. Looks so amazing. We got another BTS Oreo with the heart. We got this is called BTS Heart Oreo. Looks pretty cute. And this is also amazing with mini hearts of what the. There's other design that looks so really sweet. That was so amazing. We got another BTS logo because I'm eating this one. Yeah, we got for this the heart fingers. It looks pretty nice. It's called finger hearts. It looks so pretty like the 3 hearts, but this one's called hand heart. This is called finger heart. Looks pretty good. We have the BTS letters with a BTS logo. That's what pretty actually so amazing. This is actually pretty great. We got another message for this one. So this one, the Our Happiness BTS Army. That was so really great for this letters. We got another the biggest Love BTS army. Oh, they got another this one, the same one. So same thing. This is our this one. But you got this heart and this one, the bills looks shaping. Looks so really tasty. I like it. We got for this one on the two of them. For this one, our universe BTS army looks so really same. So the same with this letters, and another same thing with this letters for this one. We gotta put it out of here, but because there are another for this one, we need to free all of them for this one. We got this one that leads to, but this leads to us. It's called leads to us. This doesn't pretty actually so good with this one as well. At last, by two leads, in this one though, this one our biggest voice BTS army. That's just so pretty imagine for this with the latest one. With the circle of this one, double circle, this one here. So impressive. And finally, at last but not least, at this one, this BTS light stick logo. Oh, this is the icon, the emblem. This is called the emblem, the icon logo. So this is a BTS light stick. I'm gonna put this is on the ground here for this one. Finally, we have the collecting of the Oreo BTS. 13 unique collectibles of the icon or emblems logo. So this one is the coolest BTS collaborations ever. But this one there for Dear BTS Army, BTS with all the members the same names. Happy Twist, BTS Heart Oreo. We got this for the BTS logo icon, and we got this this finger heart or hands heart BTS logo. We got our happiness BTS army, the biggest love BTS army, our universe BTS army. We got the what's this? Leads to us. This is called leads to us. And we got our biggest voice BTS army. And then finally, we have the last but not least, it is BTS light stick icon logo. So this is definitely a collecting 13 collectibles. So this one 13 collectibles, emblems, logos, albums, logos, whatever you want. So I'm gonna give you the Oreo BTS collaboration, the vanilla version of the vanilla flavors. This is give it the 8 out of 10. Looks pretty great, and I love the actually design for this looks with this one. I'm gonna get the private special edition of the hot dog or the brown sugar pancake with this one. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, and subscribe to the channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social medias. If you guys see the next one or the next video review, I'm going to will be in the this is one of the watch this one. Okay. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you join us. See you there on my next video. Bye. Peace.